everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's videos I'm going to show you how to create a super cool text masking intro in InShot. It's simple, creative, and will make your edit stand out. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open your InShot app and then just tap a new project and then just choose a blank canvas, this one. And then next, just adjust your ratio that you like. This one, just tap on canvas, and in this tutorial I will use 16:9, this one, like this, and then just adjust the durations as you like this, and then just change the background color to white. Just choose background and then choose white like this, and then just add text. Next, just type anything that you want, like your channel name or a title or just a word. And then I will remove the shadow like this, and then adjust the durations again like this. And once you're happy with the setup, just export these clips and it will be your text mask. Now just go back to your projects and then just import the video that you want to use as your main background like this, and then just import the text clips that you just exported. Just export it as a PIP like this, and then just fit it to the frame so it covers the whole screen like this, and then just go to blend, this one, and then choose screen, this one, like this. This will make the text refill your video like this. And next, just import the same video again, import it as a PIP2. Like this, and then just fit it to the frame like this, and then just go to cut out and then choose cut out to remove the background like this. And finally, it's the final result like this. You have just created a professional looking text masking intro. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!